you should have gone to the Nevele. It's a place to go with your family, or when the two of you want some privacy, where you feel at home and you're glad to be at the Nevele.
Today we explored the abandoned Nevele Resort, also known as the Nevele Grand Hotel. This was originally called the Nevele Country Club and was established in 1901 by Charles Slutsky, which is a really interesting last name. I feel bad for him if he had any daughters. The Slutsky family also owned the Fallsview Hotel, which was merged with the Nevele Resort for a bit. After many years and many architectural changes, this resort was named the Nevele Grand Hotel after it merged with the Fallsview Hotel again. Now, here comes the downfall of this beautiful resort. The Fallsview property was sold in 2006 and it reopened as the Honors Haven Resort and Spa. The Nevele Resort remained open for a while longer under the ownership of Mitchell Wolfe and Joel Huffman. I'm not 100% sure how to say that. Where it would eventually shut down due to unpaid taxes on the 4th of July weekend of 2009. Since then, there have been many redevelopment efforts and owners of the property, but it still remains abandoned and is becoming one with nature. That's something I've noticed a lot with all of these abandoned buildings. Whenever I do research on them, it's always like just different owners and different plans made to try and restore it, and it never happens. But in January of this year, the property went up in flames, not one, but 2 times, all in 1 week, which is insane. I found the news article clip talking about it, so here is that.
This was the scene early Saturday morning when part of what remains of the historic Nevele Hotel were engulfed by flames. Authorities say the fire here was in the main building of the former resort, which in its heyday housed the lobby, kitchen, dining room, and a theater. Plumes of smoke could still be seen from the rubble on Arrowhead Road in the town of Wawarsing on Monday.
All of that just serves as a reminder to stop lighting shit on fire, guys. This happens to so many abandoned buildings. I've seen it all over social media with abandoned churches and giant abandoned buildings, and it is such an inconvenience and is so dangerous. And it makes it harder for people like me who just want to go in the buildings and explore them and not cause any harm. And since I didn't get to record the parts that were burned, and because security got increased we couldn't stay as long, I'm going to insert some clips from other people who have explored this place just to show you. I just want to take a minute to appreciate how pretty this bridge was. We had to walk across this to get there, and it was beautiful. But, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm sorry that it's so short. I didn't get that much footage. Yeah, I'm also sorry about the shaky camera. My camera is so shaky, and I need to start recording with my phone. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Bye.